Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. Today we are going to see information about Saturn in the nakshatra of Magha. I received the email and somebody mentioned in the comments that they would like to know about this placement, and hence I am doing this video. Thank you for suggesting a topic for my video. Those of you who are new to astrology, let me give you some background regarding Nakshatra Magha, Saturn, and what it will signify in the horoscope. The Nakshatra of Magha is owned by planet Ketu and it falls completely in the sign of Leo. And Leo is owned by planet Sun. In astrology, Sun is the most strong enemy for planet Saturn. In a mythological story, they are father and son. Sun is Saturn's father and Sun is not happy with Saturn. This is the story. Let us see how this placement works in a native's horoscope. Whenever you have Saturn in the sign of Leo, it is 7th from the Mula Trikona sign of Saturn, because Leo is exactly opposite of Aquarius sign. That means having this placement of Saturn in Leo always comes with a package or a pre-requirement, that is the opposition party, the client, the opposite side, the other side, maybe your spouse, they are going to be more demanding, more strict, and they have high expectations as far as celebrity behavior goes. 7th is the place where 7th house, 7th place where Saturn is really strong. So in this case, it's 7th from its own Mula Trikona sign. That means the other party is going to be very judgmental, very strict, will be expecting a lot from you guys. In the nakshatra of Magha, Saturn feels very uncomfortable because Leo or Magha is about celebration. It is about center stage role. It is about being royal. And Saturn is exactly opposite of this. Saturn is somebody very senior, elderly, handicapped, a servant, somebody who believes in democracy and not the kingdom or the king. Saturn finds this individualistic role very difficult. So those of you who have Saturn in Magha, they must be great in that position. They are high achievers. Usually they do really well in their chosen field, or their father or their grandparents are known in the society. In ancient times, these could be about having the royal blood. However, in today's world, this Saturn makes one work hard for earning money. These are hard-working people who will make lot of money. However, they never feel themselves to be empowered. They are never happy in the center stage roles. They are constantly craving for that role, but once they get it, they are not happy about their own performance. Or if this is ruling your 1-7 axis or is placed in the 1 and 7 axis, your spouse maybe has better position in society than you. That is what you feel. In reality, you are as good as your spouse, but you will constantly try to prove yourself to your boss, to your spouse, to your client, or even to your subordinate. So believe in yourself. Remember, you have all the talent, you are working hard, and you don't need anybody's validation, because Saturn in Magha tends to thrust the behaviors of center stage success or center role, royal behavior to themselves and their kids, because 5th house, 5th sign is about creativity, your kids. So you expect a lot from your kids as well, and your kids will have to work harder to prove themselves to you. Whenever Saturn transits through Magha, usually there is some financial crisis. I think this position was sometime in 2007 when the whole mortgage market collapsed in United States. So by transit wise, whenever Saturn transits through Magha, people do feel some disturbance in the financial sector, in the politics, education systems, as well as they might notice that people who are highly creative, they are challenged more, and Saturn is not at all comfortable in this position. What is the solution for getting peace of mind when you have Saturn in Magha? Always remember, Magha is ruled by Ketu, and Ketu is like a flag. But for that flag, you need a post. झंडा गाड़ने के लिए you will need that post. And always look for some support. So be nice to your subordinates, be nice to servants who report to you, or be nice to domestic help, be nice to anybody who is learning from you, who is younger than you. Support them, help them, and in turn, when they will support you, you will achieve what you are looking for. Respect the elders and take support from youngers and respect them as well. Be nice to them. Be nice to anybody who is in any less capacity than you. That way, Saturn feels comfortable and you will gather the strength to achieve your dreams. Always remember, for Ketu, don't attach yourself to the outcome. So, Saturn in Magha people become really successful when they focus on the journey and not to the outcome. And when it comes to stock market gains, it's always good not to enter there, because Saturn doesn't support the system of stock market. Hope this is helpful to you, and if you want to know if you also have Saturn in Magha, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com and I'll be more than happy to do a reading. Feel free to visit the website www.astrojyotihealing.com. There is a donate button. Please do some donation to the charity organizations I have mentioned there, and you can then send your birth details for reading. Please like this video. Please comment on this video if you have Saturn in Magha. Do tell your experience about it. Share this video with your friends and please subscribe to this channel. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.